very early anyway. I mean, soon after delivery, especially if you had a section, correct? Yes, so they tend to have a lot of stuff built up inside. But what I'll do while you're eating and getting nourished is I'll go ahead and try it. The little girls always argue with me a little bit anyway, and while I hook them up, but then once the sounds start, it's very soothing to them. But I can tell immediately if we're not soothing and we need to eat. So that way you can go ahead and eat. If she wakes up in the middle of all of it, it's not a big deal. I just stop the test and we'll do it later. And you're not going home till tomorrow, correct? Well, then we've got tomorrow to do a second one, okay? But if it's all right with you, I'll go ahead and come and try it.
Yeah.
Okay. And you will want pictures of this because it's pretty.